and I know just the guy to call. Our buddy Cameron that Raj and I went to high school with.
Way, probably.
Listen to that.
What they play?
What in the world?
What is that?
Hey, Cameron! Hey! The first thing I see are these two Frankenstein-like Tesla coils shooting electricity everywhere and playing the Camptown Ladies.
The Camptown Ladies.
Camptown Ladies. We're talking about these mad scientists up in here, man. That is awesome right there.
I'm very happy to show them around. It's been my life's work, and I'm always happy to talk about it.
What you got going on right there?
This is a vacuum tube Tesla coil.
Vacuum tube Tesla coil. So instead of a spark, Tesla coils are named after their inventor, Nikola Tesla. He was doing all kinds of crazy things with electricity more than 100 years ago. Turn that thing on, man.
Is it safe to stand here?
Only if you don't touch it.
30,000 volts to get my attention.
I'm gonna there it is. Oh, that'll wake you up. Ha-ha, baby. The way a Tesla coil works is electricity first moves through a transformer, which amps up the voltage. From there, it passes through two coils of copper. They're called the primary and secondary windings. That boosts the voltage even higher. Then, that high voltage electricity collects along the surface of the big donut at the top. And finally, it discharges into those giant, crazy arcs of lightning. That's cool. Tesla was an amazing mad scientist guy. I mean, he invented AC power, which is what's in every house in America. But the bad thing about it is, he died dirt poor, but there was a box of his notes that were classified immediately. We still don't know what was in that. You know, if anybody invented a death ray, it would have been Tesla. What do you think about that, Daddy?
That's
How about
crazy.
that? I was holding 100,000 volts right there with this screwdriver. When I saw these two Tesla coils by each other and they're throwing sparks a few feet away, there's our beam weapon right there.